Igama lamakhosikazi malibongwe, 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 malibongwe. Igama lamakhosikazi malibongwe, 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 malibongwe. Malibongwe, igama lamakhosikazi malibongwe, malibongwe, oh malibongwe, malibongwe, oh malibongwe. Well, I'm not a good singer, at all, but I'm so excited. You can feel in my voice. I'm not a loud person, but you can feel in my voice that I'm really excited. What is happening in Africa? Oh my God. Just a day ago when we were celebrating the first female president in Tanzania. First female president in Tanzania. Then boom, today. Wow, Zulu omncinyane. Wakusurprise nje uZulu wathi cha. Ehlala Nkosi ngeke njoba sazi ukuthi isilo sethu isilo samabandla sibuzile ongangezwe lakho ubhejane ephuma esiqwini ubuzile watshalwa kuleli sonto esiphuma kulo. Hawu bamthatha uMadlamini uNdlunkulu uMadlamini bamuthi caba bathi uyena ozobibambela Nkosi njoba sazi ukuthi kusalinda ukuthi iNdlunkulu ikhethe ozongena ezicathulweni zesilo samabandla ungangezwe lakhe. Leyo process isazothatha isikhathi, it could take months, it could take years, ngoba uzokhumbula ukuthi phela kudingakala ukuthi etrainwe azi yonke into, because usungalindele nawe usungalindele really. Kuyokhumbula ukuthi vele inkosi ikhethwa nguNkulunkulu umbele nqale namathongo akubo, but ungalindele ukuthi mekhamba isilo noma khamba uyihlo uyongena ezicathulweni zakhe. It's something that happened naturally ngaleso sikhathi leso. You can't plan for it. So kulindele ukuthi kuthatha isikhathi ukuthi kutrainwe ozolandela ezicathulweni zesilo ozongena aba isilo esisha. Ngakho ke iNdlunkulu sikhethile ukuthi cha uNdlunkulu uMadlamini uyena ozobamba intambo up until kuze kutholakale a suitable candidate okuyena ozobamba izintambo. Probably sekhethiwe, but futhi usazodlula ama trainings izikole like efundiswe ngemlando wosiko, efundiswe nangayo yonke into. Can you imagine if uthathwa ingane ena 20 or let me just say mhlambe na 18 years kuthiwa suzoba inkosi noma suzoba isilo? That person, yes, kade ekhona eNdlunkulu, kade eyibona certain things, azi umkhohlo omhlanga mhlambe azi ngazo zonke izinto, but mhlambe bengakaze eyinika isikhathi sokuthi ehlale phansi mhlambe noyise noma nesilo noma nenkosi lesuke eyibusa ngaleso sikhathi ahlale phansi ethi cela ungicathulise ngayo yonke into. Kunama dynamics amaningi, so kudingakala ukuthi you undergo i-training thizeni ebanjwa iNdlunkulu leyo training ukuze ube a suitable candidate, ube nawo wonke ama-qualities and expertise ukuthi ungamele lo msebenzi, ngoba umsebenzi wokubusa isilo sikaZulu akusiyo umsebenzi omncane. You know, ungeke wawuqhathanisa nokubusa isigodi noma ube inkosi nje yaleso sibongo noma leso sigodi leso noma yelo mphakathi lo, but mothi isilo singamele i-KZN yonke. Can you imagine? So akusiyo ke umsebenzi olula lo. So really bekudingakala ukuthi kube khona someone osemdala, someone osemkantshubovu, someone who have seen certain things, waba eseqhulwini kwezinye izinto okuyena ozobambela up until kuze lo muntu ozobekwa njengenkosi, kumbe mewukuthi umntwana ozobekwa noma izinyane lenkosi ozobekwa kube yilona elingenayo selikulungela ukuthi lizokuthi. So kuthathiwe isinqumo sokuthi uMadlamini engene ethi shiqe ebambe intambo up until loyo ozongena ezicathulweni zesilo ubhejane ephuma esiqwini ebe suitable and ready to resume umsebenzi wakhe. abaningi ke mebebuza ukuthi hawu ngoba phela inkosi noma isilo ungangezwe lakhe benawo abafowabo benawo umfowabo yes lo umntwana lo ekhuluma emncwabeni bena futhi nodadewabo why kungathathwanga umfowabo. So there is a dynamic and dilemma in that, because once wathatha umfweni ukuthi akangene ecathulweni zakho ebisilo, then that means usuyaphuma ubukhosi emndlini yakho. So for instance, if you are old, if you are the firstborn and uyinkosi obviously, then uneyingane zabafana, and also unabafowenu njengenkosi as a firstborn, unabafowenu, then uyabuza, you die. If kuthaye kungena umfowenu ehlala esihlalweni sakho sobukhosi, that means me ukuthi kuyenzeka uyabuza yena noma uyadlula emhlabeni, then sekuyobukhosi budlulela enganeni yakhe, yabo ukuthi sephumile endlini, not per se ukuthi kuphumile esibongweni sakaZulu, cha, kodwa sekuphumile elokhu endlini, because you will know i-customary law ukuthi it head of the house fanele kudlulele kwingane zakhe ubukhosi. So ngicabanga ukuthi ile process ine dilemma leyo. So njengamanje asikho isikhathi sokuthi noma asikho isidingo sokuthi siloke esiqagula ukuthi kwenzakalani, what are dilemmas and what are reasons ukuthi kube uNdlunkulu uMadlamini ehlalweni okwesikhashana up until kuze kutrainwe ngokuqeda ngokuphelele umntwana noma izinyanya lenkosi elizongena. Asikho isidingo sokuthi sikwenze lokho Zulu. Kucacile ukuthi kubekwe uMadlamini, and maningi amathuba ukuthi umuntu otrainwayo noma izinyanya elitrainwayo lizophuma kwesakhe isibeletho. Ngicathi lokho nje kuqondile kucacile futhi nongibanga ngithi nje igama lamakhosi kaZima libongwe, malibongwe, 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 malibongwe.